Welcome to A2Z AMC Training Series. In today's video, we will learn how a private client can cancel a submitted appraisal order before it has been accepted or rejected or any changes has been required. Basically, before an operational admin of AMC has reviewed or performed any action on it. So for that, we need to click on an appraisal order. And as it is on submitted state and it is not has been accepted, rejected, or required any changes from an operational admin of the AMC, we can cancel this appraisal order. We need to click on this cancel button and a window will open. We need to require a reason for it. So the reason is anything and we need to provide a valid reason for it. So this appraisal order has been updated to cancelled. As you can see on the top corner, it says cancel. And if we move back towards the specific status updates, it says that this appraisal order has been cancelled by the specific user. On the main screen, you can see that this one is submitted and this is as on cancelled status. So that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.